Ngayon po, alam nyo, sa ating pagsamba, sabi nga natin, ito po'y indikasyon na kung tayo po'y kabahagi ng katawan ni Kristo, because we cannot worship God in spirit and in truth because God is a spirit. And sabi nga nun, if we are not alive in the spirit, if the Spirit of Christ is not in us, we are still in the flesh. And if we are still in the flesh, we can never please God. Kaya nga po, wala hong worship na wala ho si Jesus sa buhay ho natin. Kaya ho, kung tayo na kay Kristo, tayo po ay totoong tagasamba ni Jesus Christ. Kaya marami, kahit anong samba nila, hindi ho sila kinikilala ng Panginoon Diyos. Kaya maging si Jesus Christ, nirebuke ang mga Pariseo because they were thinking that they're true worshipers of the Lord. Ano sabi niya? Rightly did Isaiah prophesy of you, hypocrites. Sabi niya, mga mapagpaimbabaw kayo. Bakit? As it is written, these people honors me with their lips, but their hearts is far away from me. Ano nangyari? Because they were attacking Jesus and they rejected Jesus without even realizing that everything that was taught to them from the scripture, from the Old Testament, is all about Jesus. Now, ito pa sabi niya, but in vain do they worship me, teaching us doctrines and precepts of men. Yung kanila pong mga tinuturo ay nakadaan po sa tradisyon ng tao, ng mga turo na sila lang nag-imbento at hindi talaga yung galing sa hango sa Panginoon Diyos. Minsan, they would even, yung kumbaga parang ang nangyayari, minsan ganito, minsan mas paniniwalaan niyo pa yung tinuro ko kaysa sa sinasabi ng Bible. Just in case, listen to this, yung sinasabi ko, hindi po ayon sa salita ng Diyos o sa Biblia, ay naku, sumunod kayo sa Biblia, wag sa akin. Naunawaan po natin. Kaya yun din ang sinasabi niya. Sabi niya, teaching us doctrines and precepts of men. Yung tinuro lang ng tao, neglecting the commandment of God. You hold to the tradition of men. Yan ang hamon ho ni Jesus sa kanila. Kaya ho yung pagsamba, it's one way of saying, I am a follower of Jesus. Because Jesus is my God, whom I worship. Siya yung aking sinasamba. Kaya ito po, ano yung worship? Kaya kung hindi mo naranasan si Jesus, it's our proper response who God is. What He has done and what our trust on what He will continue to do. Di ba ang sarap?